Welcome to our channel. Kajol brings festive vibes wearing a bright green saree, but is the belt adding modern touch a misfire or hit? Kajol Devgn's recent green saree look is all about festive vibes, perfect to look stylish and traditional at a Dhanteras puja. Deets inside. Kajol Devgn is all set to celebrate Dhanteras with green vibes. In her latest Instagram dump, the actress embraces the festive spirit in a stunning bright green saree. Blending traditional and modern styles, she is certainly rocking her saree moment. The photos show her enjoying her time playing with her palu, and we can't wait to get a closer look at her outfit. The Do Patti actress had the perfect saree moment in this not-so-typical color. The vibrant green hue catches the eye, making it an ideal choice for Dhanteras puja. Her saree look is all about simplicity and elegance. The actress perfectly styled her subtly printed saree with a sleeveless matching blouse. For a modern touch, the blouse features a deep neckline that complements the vibe of her saree beautifully. What truly set this look apart was the addition of a cream belt around her waist. For a fresh and trendy twist, Kajol completed her outfit with a thick cream-colored belt, providing perfect fashion inspiration for saree lovers. Just like her outfit, her choice of jewelry was spot on. To match the minimalistic vibe, the actress opted for golden accent hoop earrings and rings, allowing her outfit to take center stage. Her makeup is just perfect. Keeping it subtle, Kajol Devgn radiates with a natural base. To enhance her glowing skin, she opted for black eyeliner, nude lipstick, and brown eyeshadow. Her defined brows keep the look polished and on point. With this simple and easy-to-do makeup look, the actress didn't steal the spotlight from her saree. Kajol is serving major hair goals with her straight, open hair. Who would have thought that simple, open hair could look this good? For a low-key vibe, the actress chose sleek, straight hair, giving off an effortless and polished appearance. This is one of those hairstyles that just requires a comb, and you're all set to steal the show. So, if you've rummaged through your wardrobe but are still unsure about what to wear, take a cue from Kajol and opt for a simple saree styled just like hers. What are you planning to wear for Dhanteras puja? Let us know in the comments below.